We always enjoy seeing people come through the inlet super stoked to see the cameras. Welcome back, guys, to this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and let's get this episode started. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is going to show us what it's like when you go down to Haulover and spend your birthday at the inlet. At least I'm assuming these guys are spending their birthday down there with this balloon hanging off the back of the vessel, and with these two gentlemen that appear to be intentionally placed in the bow of the vessel. Let's see how they handle Haulover as they roll through for this birthday surprise. And we hit the first wave and bam! Somebody is down for the count already. And this gentleman's holding a balloon. I'm wondering if this is birthday boy himself. He goes down hard. If this is the birthday boy, Haulover has given him the gift that will continue to give back, because he will be feeling this one for quite some time to come. It does appear he's trying to make his way back up into the vessel, and Haulover's going to smack him again, and Haulover's taking no prisoners today. It has knocked down the other gentleman this time. Haulover has absolutely made sure to seal the deal. This other guy does not appear to be getting up, so it doesn't matter which one was the birthday boy. Haulover went ahead and took care of delivering the gifts to both of them. This round right here absolutely will go to Haulover Inlet. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover just a little too fast. I know what you're thinking, Broncos Guru, what in the world are you talking about? Is there such thing as coming through Haulover too fast? Well, as you can see here, sometimes there can be. My man has sent this boat airborne, and this is a big, heavy boat. Don't get me wrong, I don't think he did any damage or anything crazy, but he's probably going a little faster than he needs to be coming through Haulover. But as many of you know, I'm pretty impartial to these full send boys, and I'm going to go ahead and give this round to the boats anyway. Doesn't matter if you're coming through too fast sometimes, but I'll tell you what, the one that annoys me the most is coming through too slow. Kind of like these guys right here. They've got a great tool for the job to come through Haulover Inlet and absolutely take a wind down for the boats, but instead they're going to come rolling through in this blackfin, basically at an idle speed, taking a little rougher ride than they need to, and like you saw in that first wave they hit, almost stuffing the bow right in the beginning. Here we're going to see a couple jet skis pass them. I don't know, I think there's somebody on a kayak who's going to pass them here in a few minutes as well. And I know some people always come in here and they're like, it's not always about coming through Haulover fast, and you're absolutely correct. It is not always about coming through Haulover with a lot of speed. It's about coming through Haulover at the correct speed. And in some cases, like this one right here, sometimes going slow is more dangerous than coming through with a little power behind it. Right here, I'm absolutely going to give this round to Haulover Inlet. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through the inlet featuring quintuplets. We're not talking about the children here, we're talking about Quin Mercury Racing 450s on the back of this Midnight Express. And here these guys are coming barreling into the inlet. It's always amazing when I see these clips. Right here it doesn't really look like the boat's going that fast, but once we start to get the sideways angle on this boat, you'll notice exactly how fast this boat is blasting through the inlet. They really are cruising at a pretty high rate of speed. And this vessel is absolutely making easy work of Haulover Inlet is going to take down the victory for the boats in this round. And that will take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And I never like seeing these words pop up on the screen. If it says like it's nothing, I'm assuming this MTI is about to blast its way through Haulover like it's nothing. And right here, it looks like it's going to do just exactly that. It is still a little bit of a rough day in Haulover, but this MTI has absolutely no trouble with it and takes the win, and the boats get the win this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarious stuff that happens down at the boat ramps in Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.